Let me show you the best features for JBL Tune Flex headset. And we can do it by opening the JBL headphones app. You can find it on Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone device. When the app is installed and our headphones are connected, we can see all of the features. So the first thing I'm going to focus on is the ANC, which is active noise cancelling. You can switch it between three different options. There's noise cancelling, ambient aware, and talk through. So in active noise cancelling, you won't be able to hear anything from outside. You'll be only able to hear music that you're playing when it's active and on its full level. Of course, you can customize the level and switch between different 6 options. There's the ambient aware, which will give you some sort of noise from outside, so you can actually hear something. And the talk through will allow you to hear voices as well. Then there's the equalizer. So if we enter the settings for equalizer, we have a few different options for presets. You can use this for a specific song. If you like a loud bass, you can go for the bass, and etc. And right here, one thing that is pretty cool is that you can create your own equalizer presets by clicking on this plus button, and then you can adjust it however you like. Save it, and then your equalizer will be right here. You can always rename it if you like. Now let's go back, and then we can try out the gestures. One thing, again, which is cool about these earbuds is that you can customize gestures for each of them. That means you can get different gestures on the left one and different on the right one. Or, of course, you can go with none, which will give you no gestures on one of the devices or even both of them. And if we enter it, we can customize our gestures with different options like ambient sound control. There's a volume control and playback and voice assistant control. Then we can adjust the level for voice aware. If you activate it, then it will give you the different sound levels of listening to the voices from outside. You can change between audio mode, which will give you the best quality of music, or you can go for the video, which will give you the more, less time lag on your headphones, but it takes some time to actually load, so let's wait through that. Okay, then there's the left and right sound balance. You can switch between different sides of your headphones. If you want to hear more sound on the left one, you can go with it like that, or vice versa with the right one as well, or keep it in the middle, which I prefer. There's also voice assistant, voice prompts that you can adjust, and that would be all of the best features I found for this device.